today's video, gagawa ko lang po ng review yung product ko. Taran! Ito po siya. Ito po yung product ko, yung Skin Reborn.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Natin. Gagamitin ko po siya personally. First try ko po ito. Ito po yung solution, facial solution. Para po siyang toner. And then ito po yung rejuvenating cream or yung pangayong gabi night cream. Tapos ito naman po yung sunblock cream with SPF 30. Bukas po ito ng umaga. At ito po yung sabon niya. Hindi ko na po kailangan gumamit ng Kojic. Kasi Kojic na po siya.
Okay, mamaya na po ulit. Maghihilamos muna ako. Pero ibibidyo ko pa rin po. I-attach ko na lang po dito. Sige po. Thank you po. Bagus.
Something to show that your time isn't on our side. No, she don't wait for anyone, the stars or the moon, but you shine like the sun. You will kiss me before this day is done. Isn't it much better when we decide to stick together? Give me something sweeter, something to show that just I want something sweeter. You see, something to show that you love me. All your kisses I've been missing. Hold me closely, they can't stop us now. No, 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 no.
Okay, done na po. Konting pulbo na lang at pack na. Thank you for watching. Babush!